Baby won't eat?
Finally food time. Let's chow. Wait, bro, this ain't food. It's just air. No, more air. Stop. I'm inflated like a balloon animal. Help, I'm gonna pop.
One more bite for Daddy.
Bro, are you starving? Already on max capacity, can't even talk. I am not hungry. Shutting down, no more bites.
Honey, he keeps hiccuping and won't eat. What's wrong?
Relax, it's just aerophagia. Too much air went in. Feed him slower, rub the tummy, he'll be fine.
Does this happen with your baby too? Comment down below.
Stay smart, stay safe. And for more fun health stories, follow Funny Fit 66.